Hello guys, in this video we will see what is game crashes on startup in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step out what game crashes on startup means in Warzone. Content game crashes on startup in Call of Duty. Warzone refers to the scenario where the application fails to launch beyond the initial splash screen loading animation or menu, immediately returning you to your desktop. This often occurs without a specific error message or with a generic Windows error reporting that the program stopped responding. This issue typically indicates a core problem with game files, system drivers, software conflicts, or hardware instability, preventing the game from initializing correctly.
Step essential. First, checks game file integrity and graphics drivers. Content. The immediate troubleshooting steps involve verifying the integrity of your game files and ensuring your graphics drivers are up to date. Launch the Battle.net client. Select Warzone. Click the gear icon options and choose Scan and Repair. To fix any corrupted or missing game files, simultaneously download and install the latest graphics drivers directly from your manufacturer's website. NVIDIA and Intel perform a clean installation of the drivers if prompted to remove any potential conflicts from previous versions.
Step minimize conflicts. Background applications and overlays. Content. Many startup crashes are caused by conflicts with other software running on your system. Applications with in-game overlays like Discord, DeForce, Experience Box, Game Bar, or Steam overlay are common culprits. Disable all such overlays before launching Warzone. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications that consume significant system resources or have potential to interfere with the game's anti-cheat or processes. Performing a clean boot of Windows can isolate this issue further by starting Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. Step Warzone-specific adjustments, game settings, and anti-cheat interaction. Content. If the game crashes before you can access settings, the configuration files might be corrupted. Navigate to your Documents folder, then Call of Duty, and delete the Players folder. This will force Warzone to generate new configuration files upon launch. Resetting all game settings to default. Also ensure that your antivirus or firewall software is not inadvertently blocking Warzone's executable or its anti-cheat component. Recock, as this can prevent the game from initializing properly. Temporarily disabling your antivirus for a launch test can help identify this issue.
Step the deeper div hardware OS and system integrity checks. Content. For persistent crashes, consider deeper system-level investigations. Ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Check for sufficient free disk space on the drive where Warzone is installed. Overheating hardware can also cause startup instability, so monitor temperatures using third-party software. Verify your RAM for errors using tools like MEM tests. In rare cases, corrupted directs or visual distributables can prevent games from launching. Reinstalling these components might resolve the issue at a last resort. A clean reinstallation of Warzone or even Windows might be necessary for deeply rooted software conflicts or corrupted system files.